Discover how to generate income through PayPal on Temu effortlessly. Ensure you watch the entire video to grasp every crucial step. If you find this guide helpful, subscribing to the channel is greatly appreciated. Firstly, create or log into your Temu account. Navigate to the You section and click on the You button at the bottom. Then, scroll down and select Settings. If you're new, click on Sign/Register at the top to create an account. Set your country and region to the United States and verify that your currency is set to USD. Once done, return to the You page and click on Earn Credits and Free Gifts. Temu offers various offers, including free gifts, cash rewards, PayPal money, and credits. Choose PayPal money for this tutorial. There are two types of PayPal rewards, cash reward and redeem cash. Opt for redeem cash if you're from the United States, otherwise, cash rewards might yield higher earnings. Click on Cash Reward. Upon logging in, you'll see your current earnings. To cash out, you need to reach a certain threshold. Referring others to Temu can increase your earnings. Click on Invite to get tokens to obtain your referral link or code. Share this link with friends, family, or on social media platforms to boost your earnings and transfer PayPal money to your account.